Hi, today we are going to discuss on the following topic. Why is it necessary to use hypertonic eye wash solution? You have probably heard a special sport drink for athletes, the so-called isotonic drink. This drink contains ions or athletes says electrolytes. The aim of this drink is to restore the electrolytes in our body after physical activities. The ions or molecules move through the liquid and come in contact with the bottle. They apply pressure to the bottle. This is osmotic pressure or otherwise called osmolarity. Our body also contains ions and molecules. That is why our body also contains osmotic pressure. In fact, this is reference. If a liquid has the same osmolarity as our body, the solution is isotonic. If it is lower, it is hypotonic. If it is higher, it is hypotonic. What does this character mean for a liquid? Here we fill a glass of tap water. There are very few ions inside. Also, the osmotic pressure is low. Next to it, I will fill another glass with seawater, which is water containing sodium chloride. This time, it contains more ions, sodium ions and chloride ions. As a result, osmolarity is much higher. I bent these two glasses with a membrane. The liquid can pass through the membrane. What happened? The answer is quite simple. The nature wants to equalize the osmolarity in both glasses. The liquid will pass from the glass where the osmolarity is lower to the glass where the osmolarity is higher until the balance is reached. This phenomena will continue. This phenomena is also used to produce tap water from seawater. Reverse osmolarity with special membrane. Let's get back to the case, chemical contamination of the eye. As you have seen, our body have osmolarity. It is about 0.4 osmos per kg. I work with sodium hydroxide solution. Caustic soda rich in sodium ions and hydroxide ions. Depending on the concentration, the osmolarity varies between 1.8 and 2 osmos per kg. Unfortunately, I get a splash with chemical in my eye. This means the concentration of the ion in the contaminated eye increases. That is why the osmolarity also increases about 1.4 osmos per kg. Then I want to rinse myself as soon as possible and decided to use safety shower with tap water. However, the osmolarity of the tap water is quite low, about 0.1 osmos per kg. That means we have seen the osmolarity of 1.4 in the affected eye and 0.1 with the water. Do you remember the two glasses? What's happening there? Here, again the nature wants to achieve the balance and therefore transfer of liquid will occur. But the difference is too high. Many water molecules will try to penetrate the cell of the affected eye. Unfortunately, there is not enough space to receive all water molecules and the cells will eventually burst. This is what doctors call osmotic shock. To support this, we will now show you a video. Ophthalmologist incubate endothelial cell at 0.8 osmos per kg. Then brought them in contact with the tap water. You can see how fast the cells will burst. You can observe this phenomena when you shower or stay in a pool for a longer time. Then your fingers will get soft and wrinkle. For your skin, it's not problematic because the regeneration of the cell is quite fast. However, our cells are much more sensitive and this regeneration can take much longer or even cause irreversible damage. This is why ophthalmologists recommend rinsing at least with isotonic solution or preferably with slightly hypertonic solution to gradually return to the normal value. In this way, we can prevent osmotic shock. Thank you.